Okay, I just put the last tray in.
All we have to do now is wait.
Congratulations, bakers! You did it!
Yeah!
Our Apostle Day of Giving was a sweet success.
And we could not have completed the recipe without you.
Because of your support, we exceeded our goal and raised $33,415.
Your generous support is the essential ingredient to all that we do as the apostles of the Sacred Heart of Jesus.
You are the peanut butter to our jelly.
Cinnamon to our sugar.
The icing on the cupcake.
Thank you for helping us to prepare future generations of apostles for mission.
For supporting all of us here at Sacred Heart Manor.
And for partnering with us in our mission of sharing the healing love of Christ with those in need.
We know that these are challenging times for so many, and so we are especially touched by your generosity.
Thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you. God bless you.
The first ingredient to every apostle ministry is sisters.
Here's
Hello.
And if you take a look over here, that's right.
Yeah, I know. So
Wow, these look delicious.
No.
help us to complete this recipe by we need your support. Will you help us